Alright, I'll tap Gallus, let me tell you something.
Yeah, man, say no, say Viral JA, they here with two group members, or one team, Iyahmedz, introducing yourself.
No, Sprout Dan, bad DJ, this from Iyahmedz, you see me?
You know, a Noved, Sinjay, leader, Iyahmedz.
Okay, alright, so tell the whole Jamaica, tell the world how to farm this and, how to come together and thing. You see it?
Well, Viral, a musical movement here going from 2007, to be honest, And it start from me leaving Trenchtown and Garman develop meet a Rasta youth who love music like me and Noved to name Lion, you see me? That's how Iyahmedz really started farming. Me and Lion I do the music and we come a Kingston, come know Noved and it become a Trinity, you see me? Yeah, right there, so till we there, so now same way, you see me?
Cause one of the other member could roll out, so me and Sprout Dan say decide say yo, we don't drop the banner cause this a love and passion and can't just dash behind the bush you see it, so we just continue the journey. So say one team Iyahmedz.
Nah guy, girls only.
So musically, how long you do this for? Meaning individual, how long you love the music? And thing. It's a passion from a young youth or what?
Yeah, well, music for me, I come from the vine, because as me I tell you, my father was a Trenchtonian and he loved music. Bob Marley carried my father got Tough Gang and record in first good song where known for Earth Disciple, because my dad actually was in a group with two of my other friends to like how me and him and Lion did farm this movement, you see me? Big up Earth Disciple, same way, and big up my father, God rest him soul. Right, Dylan,
Yeah, man, for my school, for me, I play Money Cup, you see me? I always sing to look at them, so from there, I realize, yo, there's a passion, you understand? So, meet up with the dog, man, we just decide, say, yo, music, take it on, journey. I was still there, do it, you see me?
So, what are the challenges in our
say a whole heap of challenge, my boss. If we should tell if I'm no, it'll wait till next year, they still not done it. You see me, I say, whole heap of challenge, but here, a couple of the main things we kind of face still, we can tell her up front. Most of the main thing, producers are more really believe in a young act. If you're not a Beanie Bounty or a Mother than them, you don't really want for voices, so you have to find a way for go around that. You see me? Next thing, earplay in a JA, most man want a bag of money for play a song over one time. You see me,
The chopper them make you think
see me? Secondly,
this jockey them pay money for play music and we not, so you think I go on and
people,
this jockey them
yeah, so they say the brother.
Think I go play, brother.
They say the brother, you see me? So, they say,
yeah, man, say no Viral J there, for put out the talent in Jamaica. We go anywhere, we're not afraid of no place, once the artist there and then link, and thing. So, yeah, I thank for invite me and thing to look a place. So, tell them which part of them, specifically. Tell them which part of them.
Man, a Greenwich farm, this 9th Street, man, Greenwich town, man. Farm, man, wherever warm, man.
Ever warm. That's it. Yeah, man. So, I hear it from there, Iyahmedz, that's it. Yeah, man. So,
I make them know about all the new song with this job called GOGO CLUB. Audio and visual job. So you can go check out the visual on Iyahmedz Vivo. You see me? The audio upon all digital platforms. So me I do it. Yeah, man. So they promote the single GOGO CLUB. But look at it. Yeah, she sexy. Yeah, she brown. Yeah, she thick and she round. In at the club, 1,000 around. One broke, one.
Nah, ease up.
Yeah, man. So go and check out that. You see it? Yeah, man. So plus look out for the new EP, Detrimental Iyahmedz 7. You see me? Journey no stop. Pain of journey of pain. You see me? Drop in January next year, 23. You see it? So look out for that.
When I hear people, Iyahmedz, look out for them, you see it. Great talent in Jamaica, the whole world. Yeah, man. We're there for promote it, that's it. You see it. We say one viral?
One Viral J.
You know, Iyahmedz
One Iyahmedz.
one badness,
Alright, we're out. Be a one.
One is straight.
Alright, out. You see, cut. So, you know what, they're gonna give you a performance, you know, show the whole world what they made of it. See it? So, yeah, man.
Money in a bank, money in a jeans. Iyahmedz, yeah, the team ever clean. Cash count, your count, money machine.
Bang a phone, money off you own. Chopper lifestyle, get a use with moon rage. Calculator, double this year. Phone call, union, young badness. Me have a friend that will make money spin, yes. Couple jars and G's, thing a headless. Money in a pocket and me dog mesh.
In a beast, man, I invest. Yo, the Kyle take out me the chase dog, man, band, poor now we rich. I no skilly bang, we say brick, bam, brick, but the Kyle now my pocket yet, well, the last skate door, praise shit. Chop shirt, chop jeans, plus the Jordan. Money pass bill, a couple billion done. Cause the NK, the bar, got the door gone. Man, have money like beach with pure sand.
Bang a phone, money off you own. Chopper lifestyle, get a use with them own rage. Calculator, double this year. Phone call, union, young badness. Me have a friend that will make money spin, yes. Couple jars and G's, thing a headless. Money in a pocket and me dogs mesh.
The money no for than insect.
For no money pre my friend them at the dead scene. Check me pocket like a beast thing. We no make friend and money we make like a dirty dresser. And so we stacking up the cheddar. Bingo, bango, affy jar for the rubber please. Big city green. Money in a bank, money in a jeans. Stacking up the kyle till it in a heap. Bang a phone, money off you own. Chopper lifestyle, get a use with them own rage. Calculator, double the stick. Phone call, union, young badness. Me have a friend that will make money spin, yes. Couple jars and G's, thing we headless. Money in a pocket and the dogs mesh.
In a beast, man, I invest. Man, I own for the cheddar, now we find treasure. Hustling, no one ever does it better. Makes a band go together, kiss my girlfriend later. Touching at the street for the paper.
Like box, man, I own free the treasure. A gal see the goal and I ask me what that. Me don't like switch and me don't like for a couple gal see the door. Keep quiet, bang a phone.
Meds.
Yeah, I'm fine. No matter the pain and the struggles when me got through. And Psalms are there. Even when the enemies come and throw them island powder. And better days. Man, I look ahead now, me just see a future, yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. No matter the pain and the struggles so we got through.
Yeah, the struggles so me face them no numb, but me still hold a calm. Yeah, me still read a psalm. And all me see bad mind a go on with them corrupt people talk how them want do we harm. Yeah, still I pray for my fams and my foes. Yeah, me enemy we close, only God he knows. See the wolf way in a sheep clothes all. Wash up silver, pretend to be
Yeah, I'm fine. No matter the pain and the struggles what we got through. And Psalms are there. Even when the enemies come and throw them island powder. And better days. Man, I look ahead now, me just see a future, yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. No matter the pain and the read the Psalms and talk to the Lord. Then he mistake and chop to show off. Both say you want to sprinkle the yard. Oh, they can dirty bad mind. Full of hate and I love enough we just fine. Well, I just said the devil stay. Put some things in your way, neighbor turns the enemy. Fast on your knees and you pray.
Yeah, I'm fine. No matter the pain and the struggles so me got through. And Psalms are there. Even when the enemies come and throw them island powder. Better days. Man, I look ahead now, me just see a future, yeah. Yeah, I'm fine. No matter the pain and the struggles that we got through. Why do you stand afar, oh Lord? And why do you hide in times of trouble? When we could try to persecute me. Them send gunman to shoot me. But blessed is the man who walks not in them counsel. No matter the amount of evil where them mounts you. Just remember Jah and remember say him love you. A prayer a day keep the devil away.
Yeah, I'm fine. No matter the pain and the struggles that we got through. And Psalms are there. Even when the enemies come and throw them island powder. And better days. Man, I look ahead now, me just now we are say viral JA. One viral JA. And one Iyahmedz. Janu. Cho. Pass me bike there. Roll up the yang. Step in at the club. Which club?
In at the GOGO CLUB.
Alright, all top gallis. Make me tell you no something. Boca look you catty. Yeah, she sexy. Yeah, she brown. Yeah, she thick and she round. In at the club.
1,000 around, one broke, one fuck. Cocky gets up, blow out. This a girl who want take me to heaven. Me nah no wing, but you know she a the devil. Say she want to pick, hey girl, just love me. You think I go thing this? Roll out the yang. Step in at the club, which club? In at the GOGO CLUB. Alright, all top gallis, make me tell you something. Boca look at it, yeah she sexy. Yeah she brown, yeah she thick and she round. In at the club, 1,000 around, one broke, one fuck. Cocky gets up.
Bad bitch say she whine and she split when she twerk on the cocky, yeah she deserve a tip. Me spend a brick, the gal a cheek have a boss when she ride like a cyclist. She beautiful, catty well slide with it. Get the ice poppy molly and suck off the tip. She no shame and she game catty no shy with it. I'm a one get a one private dance with it. Inna the room where the gal start for strip, small waist, brown eyes and the ass kinda thick. The nipple stiff, me touch it deep. Catty wet up like river in a drift. Me take it deep, massage it cleat. In hook it tight and curl up in a heat. She body pretty like the sun and the hourglass. Gyal a wine up like she fit.
Roll out the yang. Step in at the club, which club? In at the GOGO CLUB. Alright, all top gallis, make me tell you something. Boca look at it, yeah she sexy. Yeah she brown, yeah she thick and she round. In at the club, 1,000 around, one broke, one fuck. Cocky gets up. You want about 2,000? Hey look girl, me go put you on the backers. You nah no manners, me go teach you some cocky lesson out of the nine ya. Radam, what sweet you gone sour yo. Right there some me know me devoid, good God mama. Not even peanut cat can whistle so. Like a bill for pain and anger. Rough it up. What you say your name? Say she name Apple. No. Wrong, you wrong. Man, know you talk to bad man. Tell me say your name Keisha, Susie, Patsy. Or the one named Kerry that me can work with. Office stand tall, can't go below. Roll out the yang. Step in at the club, which club? In at the GOGO CLUB. GOGO CLUB. Roll out the yang. Step in at the club, which club? We have say one viral JA, one Iyahmedz, one detrimental, 7. Step in at the club, which club? In at the GOGO CLUB. Alright.